Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make a popsicle for your dog. First, select ingredients that are safe and healthy for your canine companion. Good options include plain, unsweetened yogurt or pureed fruits like bananas and blueberries. Remember to always avoid ingredients that are toxic to dogs, such as xylitol, grapes, and avocados. You'll also need a suitable mold, like an ice cube tray or small paper cups. Let's start with a simple fruit popsicle. Take about 1/2 cup of a dog-friendly fruit, like strawberries or watermelon, and blend it with a small amount of water until smooth. Pour this mixture into your chosen mold, filling each compartment about 2/3 full. For an added treat, you can insert a small dog biscuit or chew stick into the center before the mixture completely freezes solid. This makes it easier for your dog to hold. Next, try a creamy yogurt and peanut butter delight. Combine 1 cup of plain, unsweetened yogurt with 2 tablespoons of dog-safe peanut butter. It's crucial to check the peanut butter label carefully to ensure it does not contain xylitol, which is highly toxic to dogs. Mix these ingredients thoroughly until well combined. Spoon the mixture into your molds and freeze for a minimum of 3 hours or until completely firm. When serving these homemade popsicles, remember they are treats and should be given in moderation. Always supervise your dog while they enjoy their frozen snack to ensure they don't choke on any pieces, especially if you've added a stick. These cool treats are perfect for hot days or as a reward. Be ready to clean up any melted drips, as they can get a bit messy, but your dog will surely appreciate the effort.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.